Hello everyone, நான் தான் வேல்சிட் சாமில். நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் கிளாஸ் 10 ரிசோர்சஸ் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஃபுல் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் பார்க்கலாம். அந்த லெசன் கொஞ்சம் பெருசு, அதனால நான் பார்ட் 1 பார்ட் 2 டிவைட் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த வீடியோ பார்ட் 1. நான் இந்த வீடியோ முடிஞ்சோடனே கடைசியாக ரிசோர்சஸ் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டோட நோட்ஸு, அதோட 3 மார்க்ஸ், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 3 மார்க்ஸ், 5 மார்க்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம ரிசோர்சஸ்னால் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். நான் இப்போ இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே பேசுகிறேன். Resources: everything available in our environment which are used to satisfy our needs provided. It is technologically accessible, economically feasible, culturally acceptable. Technologically accessible means the resource should be technically accessible to the people. Economically feasible means all people can afford to buy it. Culturally acceptable means all people, all cultures should accept that resource. Now we can see the classification of resources. Classification of resources on the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic, on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable, non-renewable, on the basis of ownership, individual, community, national and international, on the basis of status of development, potential, developed, stock and resource. And now we can see it in brief. On the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic. Biotic, things which are obtained from living things are called biotic. For example, flora, fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources which are obtained from non-living things. For example, metals, minerals, etc. On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable, non-renewable. Renewable, things which can be renewed or reproduced by simple physical or chemical or mechanical processes are called renewable resource. For example, solar energy, wind energy can be renewed after their use. Non-renewable resources which cannot be renewed or reproduced by physical or chemical or mechanical processes are called non-renewable resource. For example, fossil fuels, metals. Metals are recyclable after their use. Non-metals are non-recyclable. They cannot be recycled after their use. On the basis of ownership, private, community, national and international. Private, resources which are privately owned by individuals. For example, many farmers own land which is allotted to them by government against the payment of revenue. Community resources which are belong to a particular community. For example, national park, parks, picnic areas in urban areas, and village ponds, burial grounds in rural areas. National resources which are belong to a particular country. The country has legal powers to acquire even private property for public goods. You have seen many railways, canals built in private property. This proves that government has power to acquire even private property for public goods. International resources which are maintained by some international institutions. For example, the oceanic resource beyond 200 km of exclusive economic zone belong to no country. The country must ask permission to international institutions before the use. On the basis of status of development, potential, developed, stock and resource. Potential, resources which are found in a region but it cannot acquire due to the lack of capital. For example, southernmost India, mainly Rajasthan and Gujarat, have enormous potential of generating solar energy and wind energy, but we do not have require capital. Developed resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Stock, resources which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to access these, considered as stocks. For example, water is composed of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is a rich source of energy, but we do not have the required technology to access these. So it is considered a stock. Resource are subset of stocks which can be acquired, which can be used and acquired by current technology, but we do not taking this in present. It can be acquired in future generations for future requirements. For example, rivers, waters in dams are capable of generating hydroelectricity power, but in present we are using it in limited extent. Development of resources are vital for human survival as well as for maintaining the quality of life. It was believed that resources are free gifts of nature, but human beings use them indiscriminately, and this had led to the following major problems: depletion of resource to satisfy the greed of few individuals, accumulation of resource in the hands of few, which in turn divided the society into two segments, have and have not, rich or poor. Indiscriminate use of resources have led to global ecological crises such as global warming, environmental pollution, ozone layer depletion, and land degradation. Sustainable development. Sustainable economic development means development should take place without damaging the environment, and the development in the present should not compromise with the needs of future generations. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, 1992. In June 1992, more than 100 ESTOP states met in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. The summit was convened for addressing urgent problems of global environmental protection and socio-economic development at the global level. The assembled leaders signed the Declaration of Rights of Global Climate Change and Biological Diversity. The Rio Convention endorsed the Global Forest Principles and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in 21st century. Agenda 21. It is the declaration signed by world leaders in United Nations Conference in 1992 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This agenda is to combat environmental protection and environmental damage, poverty and disease through global cooperation on common needs and mutual needs and shared responsibilities on common interest. The main objective of Agenda 21 is that every local government should draw its own local Agenda 21. Thank you. The another part will continue on second video. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய வீடியோ பார்க்கணும்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.